Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Don't forget for like, comment, share and subscribe. ZipMax get 3-month protection in the Singapore and halted withdrawals. Troubled crypto exchange ZipMax has time to come up with a restructuring plan by day 2 after halting withdrawals in July. Cryptocurrency exchange ZipMax has gotten a chance to sort out liquidity issues as a court in Singapore has granted the firm with more than 3 months of creditor protection. Singapore's High Court has ruled to give each of the 5 ZipMax entities a moratorium until day 2, 2022 to come up with a restructuring plan. Creditor lawsuits during the moratorium period after the exchange abruptly halted crypto withdrawals on its platform in mid-July. The cryptocurrency has signed a resumed partial withdrawals from ZipMax trade wallets but is yet to resume all withdrawals. ZipMax saw creditor protection for a period of the 6 months subsequently after halting withdrawals, filing 5 a moratorium application of the July 27. The exchange cites liquidity issues due to exposure to the cryptocurrency lender Available Finance, which halted withdrawals in June. The title number said, a crypto exchange is not the first crypto firm to receive a moratorium in Singapore. Tuesday's Edith Abdullah also granted a 3-month protection from creditors to follow another local crypto firm that halted withdrawals in the early July. According to some reports, ZipMax shareholders and the potential investor have argued CEO Marcus Lim to step down over management decision, which they believe have led to the severance price crunch. The crypto lending platform had not suspended service due to liquidity crisis. Cryptocurrency lending is a type of crypto service that allows borrowers to use their crypto asset as collateral to get loans in the fiat currencies like the US dollar or stable coins like Tether USDT. The practice allows a user to get money without having to sell their coins and repay and the loan at the later date. The crypto lending industry has faced massive liquidity issues amid a major bear market of 2022 as lenders became unable to provide full liquidity on the assets that were lent out at the same time. According to the same industry observers, crypto lending is still able to survive the crisis, but it needs to get rid of the maturity mismatch of problems. Cryptocurrency lending is a type of the crypto service that allows borrowers to use their crypto asset as a collateral to get loans in the fiat currencies like the US dollar or stablecoin like Tether USDT. The practice allows users to get money without having to sell their coin and repay the loan at a later date. By the way, thank you for watching my video. Please support me with like, comment, share and subscribe this Akun YouTube channel. And bye. See you on the next time.